Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2016 Land Rover LR4. It's the last year for the LR4, and one of the most refined models. Has a lot of features on it. It's a black metallic with black leather interior. It's a V6 3.0 Supercharged, has about 340 horsepower. Has brand new front brakes, pads and rotors. Factory running boards. Body's in excellent condition. Paint's very nice. Has the keyless locking and unlocking and keyless ignition, so you never have to take the key out of your pocket. And it has recently, looks like recently new rear brakes as well. Tires are excellent. They're Michelin's. Has a backup camera, has a front camera, parking sensors, has rear air conditioning, 3 glass panels, and the front one opens up. Naturally, it's all the LR4s have a third row, and all the seats are fold down flat. Has heated seats in the back, power folding side mirrors with blind spot assist, factory navigation, Bluetooth, premium sound system, lots of great features. It's a Meridian sound system. Xenon LED headlights. So it's fully detailed, runs and drives excellent. And most people that are shopping for an LR4 already know a lot about them, or they already have one, or they have an older LR3. That's what we've discovered. This has low miles, 75,000. So these are modern day collectible SUVs. Luxury and off-road capability, all in one. Thank you for your time, and give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this LR4.